Bienvenidos a Apuntes de Español. En el vídeo de hoy vamos a trabajar el verbo tener. If you want to follow the video, I recommend you to download the worksheet attached into the description. The verb tener is one of the most important and frequently used verbs in Spanish. It's not only used to talk about possession, but also to express obligations, emotions, and sensations. Learning how to use tener correctly will help you communicate better in everyday situations, such as saying you are hungry, tengo hambre, cold, tengo frío, or in a hurry, tengo prisa. Additionally, tener is part of many essential idiomatic expressions in Spanish. Let's check out how to conjugate the verb tener in the present tense. Tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, tienen. As you can see, it follows the pattern of the ER ending verbs o, es, hemos, eis, en. However, this irregular verb tener finds an irregularity in the yo form. We don't say teno, we will say tengo. The reason why is to accommodate the facility of the speaking. Some common expressions with the verb tener are these ones. Tener hambre, which means to be hungry. Tengo hambre. Or tener frío o calor, which means to be cold or hot. If you want to say that, you can say tengo frío or tengo calor. Tener sueño. When you are sleepy, you can say tengo sueño. Tener prisa, which means to be in a hurry. Tengo prisa. Or tienes razón, you are right. Or tengo miedo, to be afraid, I'm afraid. Or tengo ganas, or even better, no tengo ganas, which means I don't feel like doing something. No tengo ganas de hacer la tarea. And lastly, tener éxito, which means to be successful. In Spanish, asking questions with tener is very easy. You just keep the order of the words, add a question mark at the end, and change the intonation of the question. For example, ¿tienes hermanos? Which means, do you have siblings? Or ¿ella tiene tiempo? Does she have time? So let's practice that. Listen and repeat. ¿Tienes hambre? Now your turn. One more time. Listen and repeat. ¿Tienes hambre? If you want more practice, go back a couple of seconds and say it again. Now we're gonna practice with some videos. So listen and respond.
Tengo hambre. Tengo hambre.
What is she saying? Yes, she's saying, tengo hambre, I'm hungry. One more practice.
Hoy no tengo ganas de cine. Hoy no tengo ganas de cine.
What is he saying? Yes, he said, I don't feel like going to the movies. No tengo ganas de ir al cine. Summary of key points. What is tener? Tener means to have in English. It's one of the most important verbs in Spanish because it helps express possession, as in tengo un libro, I have a book, or emotions, tengo frío, and even obligations, tengo que estudiar. If you download the worksheet practice, you can now go ahead and stop the video to complete the exercises. These are the answers. Please check out your work, stop the video again for the next activity, matching, and these are the answers. That's all. Don't miss out on our latest updates. Subscribe to the channel if you want to keep enjoying videos like this one. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. ¡Hasta pronto!